If you don't have an air fryer in your kitchen, this may be the one appliance you want to get. As you know, everyone talks about, I don't have enough counter space. I don't know if I need another appliance. I've got my toaster oven, I got my Instapot, I got my crock pot, whatever. You want to get an air fryer and pretty much get rid of everything else. What this is actually, it's not frying, it's a convection oven. Inside this teardrop-shaped shell is a heated environment that's holding a basket. So it feels like a fryer because, of course, fry baskets. So you put your food in here, little tiny bit of oil just so it doesn't stick, and you should do a shake halfway through cooking. And then on the display, you set what you want to cook it for. Put your food in the fry basket, close the drawer, obviously. Now there are some presets. If you choose the M, it says French fries, some other squiggly lines, a shrimp, which you wouldn't cook, a cupcake. I don't know why you'd put a cupcake in here. I think that's chicken or one of those paddles that used to spank people. That may be a potato. It looks like it's got some cut marks on it, I'm not sure. And then a fish. So half of these aren't vegan, but the one that matters the most are the French fries, which will tell you to cook it at 20 minutes at 400 degrees. You can change the time here, temperature here, and then push go. The problem is you can't shut this thing off. Still going, still going, still going. President, hold it.
Going and going.
Still going. So we can do, for example, an entire batch of, let's see what's in here. Oh, of course, French fries. We can do an entire batch of French fries, really crispy, beautiful, thin cut fries in about 10 minutes. And as you know, I'm kind of known for how much I love potatoes and French fries, but I also have a story to tell about Jason Robel, who's a vegan chef in Los Angeles.
What's up? It's J-Ro.
I told him when I met him in Toronto at a Whole Foods plant-based conference how much I was addicted to French fries. And he said, you know what you need to do? You change your relationship with food. You're looking at your food in the wrong way. You have to have a better relationship, a healthier relationship, and not a French fry relationship with your food. And so I said, that's great, Jason, thank you. And he took the stage in front of 2,000 people. And meanwhile, just mentioning French fries made me want French fries. So I sent my daughter down to a food truck on the streets to get me a bag of French fries, which she brought up, and it was dripping with oil. And of course, I'm standing there eating these French fries, watching a Whole Foods plant-based conference and watching Jason Robel up on stage talking about food relationships and healthier eating. And of course, he calls out my name. He said, I just met my new friend, Eric Lindstrom, who has an unhealthy relationship with French fries. Eric, come up on stage. And sure enough, there I was on stage with my dripping bag of French fries. So that's my French fry story. But get an air fryer, do French fries in them, do all of your Gardein meats in here, your vegan meats. We do burgers in here, we do tofu in here. Anything you want to cook with a little bit of a crispy edge is perfect in an air fryer. I highly recommend them. And also, they really don't take up that much space, really. The footprint's pretty small, so I think you'll enjoy it. Get yourself an air fryer. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the show. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.